So Eric is plumbing our fuel system. Got a fuel filter and fuel pump from the tank. Can we go feed up? What are you feeding the system with? Are you feeding the direct injection or the
fuel?
Thank you. I'm just saying, is it like split up or no?
I'm feeding both the port and the
Okay, that's what I needed to know.
the port and direct.
Okay, that's what I needed to know. Thank you. See, was that so hard, Eric?
No, I didn't know what the exact question you were asking there, Slick.
So you did the fuel system. Now what are you doing?
Math.
Jesus. It's the same setup as the C7Zs.
Yep.
Tank location.
Same jaunt.
Dual nozzle, all that good stuff.
Yeah.
Same setup.
Same jaunt piece.
Same AEM controller, all that good stuff.
Yeah, I already have all that mounted.
Do you?
Give me a minute and I'll bring it down.
I'll just look at it.
Alright, so got the meth controller mounted.
That's good. Right next to all your fuel system stuff, looks good.
And just gotta finish wiring.
Okay.
I just have everything routed basically. Now it's time to hook everything up.
Okay. Put another belt on.
Put another pulley on.
Are you doing a different upper puller?
Yeah.
Want to change it to 2.7?
I don't know what we're doing. What's the next size down?
2.7. Yeah, 2.7 or 2.65.
Greatest fucking thing in the world. That's why they put this thing here. Service the blower.
It's for me, we're actually filming. There's our thumbnail right there.
Is it?
No, no, I'm just kidding.
Why not?
No.
The belt fits.
Oh, really? What year? 15? 15. Yeah. It's amazing. Yeah, I really actually think that would sell. Just, and I don't know what it's worth.
Recap of what all we've done so far?
Nah.
God, you're so no fun.
I just aborted the flashback. Headers. Tongue ported blower.
Yep.
270 pulley.
Yep.
And a meth kit.
A fuel system.
And a fuel system. Forgot about that. It's still on pump gas right now though.
Correct.
93 octane.
Yep. So we originally did the 285 pulley with the ported blower, put it up on the dyno, and fuel system was, the stock fuel system basically couldn't handle it.
The low side was dropping pressure. So we put a low side on it, a normal low side that we do on everything.
Yep.
And then did the meth kit and the little smaller pulley. And it still has the factory air intake on it with the GM Performance like box that they sell.
Are there any new intakes out for these things yet or no?
I don't believe so.
Okay.
I don't think anyone wanted to make one because you couldn't tune them yet. So they're not going to develop an air intake that requires someone to tune the ECU if you can't tune the ECU. So.
And with GM offering a kind of a half aftermarket one,
It's just a filter basically. So.
Still.
Yeah. I mean, this thing should do pretty good now. I mean, no cam, nothing in this thing. It's
bolt-ons.
Yeah, full bolt-on right now.
Yeah. Also, we do have a proper radio for this. We just didn't want to use these brand new radials on the dyno, but we are going to go to the track tonight. If you're watching this, it was a couple days ago. We're 4 or 5 days behind, and we're going to see what it does. We are actually going to try to take the wing off, because even though it is awesome and cool and great and it's good for road racing, it's not exactly good for drag racing. Creates a lot of drag. And I believe everybody that has already gone in the 9s has pretty much had to take theirs off. The problem is seeing if anybody has one of these non-tamper 5-star things.
No, you don't have. You have the non-tampered torques like I do. We all have those, but not the stars. Snap-on was just here today.
Yes. Not bad.
Nah, I'm cool with that.
E57 on pump. It's badass.
It'll still make more too.
Oh, I know.
We just don't have time today.
Yeah.
We have to go to the track.
Track opens.
14 minutes.
Gotta put wheels and tire on.
That's fucking party!
Wing can't come off, so
Yeah, we don't have the tools. F it.
you have
I
to
bet it still goes.
940s.
Yeah.
That's what I would think.
Ready?
What's the fastest one so far?
Stop. No one's ran one yet.
No. What's the I know, but ones have gone like 9s. But what's the fastest?
960, I think, is like the fastest one in existence that I know of.
Okay. All right.
Let's go get it done. We take them off?
It's alright, we'll just have to set the records with the arrow on.
Yeah. Then when it comes off, we'll get a couple more tenths. Or
I mean, I don't know about that, but
Yeah.
I think it'll
Mile per
affect
hour.
mile per hour
Yes.
more than it will ET.
I agree. I agree.
Let me hook my truck up. What pressure do you want your tires at, Brandon? 57.
18?
20. 20. Yeah. And then I'll just lower it track. Oh, I know.
Hey, look, 57 it is. You said it.
That's pretty cool.
All right, we got to put the carbon john on it.
Right between the exhaust. Said it's empty.
Be a lot cooler if that thing was gold. Just saying. What everybody else is thinking.
Yeah, I was thinking.
See? See, told you. So what size are those Mickey Thompson ET Street
235s, I thought. Let me double check.
I mean, you put them on.
I did. Not 235, sorry. 325.
Okay.
Yeah, don't need that. But it's like impossible to see.
All right, meth filled. Gas is filled. Still on pump gas.
Don't pump gas.
That thing.
We will do E a different time. Things should make over 9 now.
I'll go. Actually, fill that now.